Welcome back. It's time for sports.
Ground will be broken next month for the long-awaited renovation work to upgrade the 63-year-old National Stadium, with the actual work to get underway next year, according to Sports Minister Olivia Grange. The latest update comes approximately 10 months after the government announced the funding had been arranged through a partnership with the British government. Minister Grange provided an update on the renovation, which will be done by Ryder Architecture and CAA Icon, the team that won the bid to carry out the work.
The stadium will be, and I may repeat some of the things that Jonathan said, will be 90% covered. We will have tiered parking, because I know parking and the traffic control has always been a big problem. Upgraded seating, modern anti-doping facilities, modern media facilities, the sports museum, improved lighting, and enhanced spectator amenities.
General Manager of the Independence Park Limited IPL Major Desmond Brown says the upgrade will, amongst other things, provide monetary benefit.
I believe that if you provide improved quality seating and facilities, people pay more, right? So we don't think that they're going to decrease.
The work is set to be completed in 2029. All-rounder Andre Russell is among 3 Jamaicans named in the West Indies T20 international squad to play Australia in a 5-match series starting on Sunday at Sabina Park. As reported by TVJ Sports on Tuesday, the 37-year-old Russell will call time on his international career after suiting up for the West Indies in his final 2 internationals on home soil on July 20 and 22. Former captain Rovman Powell and Brandon King are the other Jamaicans in the 16-man squad. The squad, which features the core group of players who secure a recent series win against Ireland, also sees the inclusion of newcomers Joel Andrew and Jediah Blades, who have earned their maiden T20 call-ups. The full squad reads Captain Shea Hope, Andrews, Blades, Roston Chase, Matthew Ford, Shenron Hitmar, Jason Holder, Akil Hussain, Azari Joseph, King, Evan Lewis, Gudekesh Moti, Howell, Russell, Sherfin Rutherford, and Romario Shepherd. The final 3 games in the series will be played at Warner Park in St. Kitts on July 25, 26, and 28. And finally, Onyx Gardens closed the gap on second-place Cavalier to 5 points in the Jamaica Women's Premier League following their 6-0 win over Federal United in Wednesday's rescheduled game at Charlie Smith High School. Tatiana Black led the way for Arnett with goals in the 8th and 58th minutes.
Well, you know, it has been a really long season. The girls have been working hard, you know. We come to training, put in the work for the matches coming up. And on match days, we always come out and perform. You know? So it's always sticking to what we say we're going out there to do and accomplishing it.
Was a beautiful game today, indeed. A game that that was postponed, and now we finally come. Yes, we came here today with 12 players. You know, we stand up with Arnett today. We give them a run for the money for the first 20 minutes. We were in the game, you know, head-to-head with them. Obviously, they are the better team, to be honest, and they come through. We have a lot of chances of at goal, you know. We say 2 clear chances, but we didn't get to execute.
Arnett climbed to 45 points, 5 behind Cavalier. Federal United remained 10th in the 11-team standings on 9 points. The final round of matches in the regular season will be played on July 19. I'm Christopher Scott, and that is your Midday Sports Report.
Thank you, Christopher. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the News, Sports and Production teams, good afternoon.